What's up guys, Major here, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can reduce the volume of the song that you're putting in on TikTok. For example, if you are using an audio and you put your own video, for example, show you guys, if you just use this video for instance, and I want to put a song, I can just say this, and I can just say Palazzo, and then it's just add the song, and the song will be playing out of rhythm. It will be playing the one in your video and the one that you added. So before it used to be easy for us to reduce it, but now it's actually a little bit more hard. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. So how to do that, you have to click on the song, which is at the top. You have to click this place, and once you click it, you then have volume. So once you click volume, then you can reduce the song, and then you can increase your own, or you can reduce your own, then increase it. So that's basically how you do it. That's the easiest way for you to do it. And yeah, so this is the new method. It is now a little bit more complex, and yeah, this is the new method. So thank you guys for watching. If this video helped you, please like this video and share it to your friends that also use TikTok. So and I'll see you guys in the next one, and also do not forget to subscribe. Catch you guys later.